Welcome! So you've received a PDF file and you want to convert it or modify it, but all you can do is read it and no way to edit. Then Expert PDF is the software you need. In a few clicks you can convert, edit and secure your PDFs. Thanks to Expert PDF, you can convert a PDF file to Word, Excel, PowerPoint or image using the Convert tab. All you need to do is select the format you want to convert to. In this example, we'll convert to a Word document. Once you've selected the file format, choose the page or pages to convert. Finally, click Convert. The file will open directly in Word. Another key feature of Expert PDF is PDF editing, which is a convenient and simple way to modify a file in a few clicks. Open the PDF in Expert PDF, then simply click the Edit tab. In the menu, you can choose from several tools, allowing you to modify text, change the font, and also delete an element. Using the Insert tab, you can add an image, a link, or a page number and header. Expert PDF also allows you to secure a PDF file. Using the Secure and Sign tools, it takes just a few seconds to add a password to protect your PDF file. You can also add a signature to sign contracts or official documents. Click Next to discover Expert PDF's other essential features for creating and modifying PDF files.